What's up, YouTube? If you crushed our Palantir play on today, please let me know down in the comments below. I told you guys I was going to love on you and we was going to celebrate as a family, knocking another one out the park, guys. But listen, I got a jam-packed video for you all. We're going to be bringing out the charts today, so class will be in session, so please keep it locked. Also, please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, you guys blew me up today because you guys was knocking them out the park left and right. But Paul won the honors on today. Paul, if you see this, I want to say major salute. I'm extremely proud of you. Check this out, guys. He sent me this text. He said, I've been watching your videos for 2 months and sticking to the script. Today was my biggest hit. I sold it open, just like you said in the Discord. Much appreciated, Coach. Guys, we're going to go over why it was so important to sell at market open because of one example I'm going to teach you guys and show you all on today, okay? But Paul, if you see this, phenomenal job. Anybody else, I know you guys did because I got all the screenshots, even though I'm only highlighting Paul. Anybody else to make money with Palantir and or Eli Lilly this morning, please let me know down in the comments below, okay? I just want to say great job and major salute. Paul, check this one out, guys, just for context. 151%, 1,370. Guys, I try to teach you guys when I start everybody off. Everybody that comes through the ecosystem, everybody that's part of the same gang, I walk alongside each and every one of you. First teaching you how to make your $100 a day, your first $100 a day. And then it becomes $1,000 a day because the lessons and the way I teach it, you just can scale up. Nothing is different. You just scale up. You just get more confidence. You fall in love with the base hit. The base hit turns into the home run, okay? He has $1,378. That's $100 a day for this week and all of next week, okay? And so, listen, guys, it's possible. It's possible, and Paul is a great example. I just want to say major salute one more time. Now, something I want to share with you guys on today before I dive into the charts is why I teach and preach so much about see profit, take profit at market open. Now listen to this. I'm not gonna make no excuses, guys. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, so I couldn't celebrate with all of you in real time, knowing we was knocking out the park. But this is what happens when you overstay your welcome. Let's go through my play, okay? I had 50 contracts on Palantir. I had another Palantir play with 25 contracts. And this is one of my Lilly plays with 10 contracts, okay? Let's walk through this because I want to teach you a bunch of stuff before we dive into the charts. I had 10 contracts. My average cost was $205. At one point in time of the day, guys, this was up way beyond that. Okay, but when you don't see profit, take profit. When you don't get out at market open, when you overstay your welcome, you see this happen right here. So now this play has came down all the way because they sold off all day today, closing the gap that it made and everything. So listen, guys, I am down $1,870, okay, in total. I have $180 left. All right, now look at this. My total loss will be around, if I was to lose this whole entire play. This is another form of risk management, not blowing up your accounts. Now I'm okay. I'm not okay with this, but I'm okay, guys. Losing $2,000 isn't going to kill me when I made $20,000 off of Palantir this morning. Okay, so that's a what, 18K profit. But the lesson is this, guys. One, only trade what you are willing to lose. I was okay with taking 2,000 and turning it into 10,000. Okay, but because no matter what the circumstances was, we ain't making no excuses over here. Okay, we don't do that. Regardless of any of that, this play is down. If this don't bounce back by Friday, your boy will lose 2,000. Now, guess what? I'm gonna teach you guys something on today to show you. If this don't bounce back up and he keeps going down, I'm going to be in puts to, guess what, make the 2,000, 2,600, whatever it is, equals back up, okay? And so, again, I'll probably break even on this one way or the other. Either it's going to bounce back or I'm going to ride puts down to recoup this. We'll see how it plays out starting tomorrow, all right? I just wanted to walk you guys through even on my end, some of what a loss looks like, the size of a loss, how you handle a loss, why I preach to you guys to see profit, take profit. This is what happens. So Palantir today held up, but I've been doing this a long time. This is why I'm trying to tell you guys this stuff. I'm not just saying stuff for the sake of saying it. A lot of these stocks, when they hit their target, they'll sell off. Palantir happened to hold today, but Palantir could easily do the same thing that this did. This went up to 540 and then came all the way down to 692. You get what I'm saying? And so, or 740, and then came all the way down to 692. Okay, and so again, these things are possible. That's why you have to see profit and take profit. Hopefully that lesson lets you see why it's important to see profit, take profit. But even in the loss, in spite of all this, at the very end, it'll be around $2,600, less than $3,000, if you will. Okay, which I'll recoup very, very fast off this play alone, because I'll just ride it to the downside if it continues to the downside. Now, class is in session, guys. I'm going to crack open the charts momentarily, and I'm going to walk you through something that I want you guys to see. If this, then that. This is a scenario I want you to consider. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, class is in session. I got AMD pulled up on the 30-minute time frame for today's lesson. I'm going to teach and show you where the levels come from. This was yesterday's close right here. Okay. Today, guys, it gapped up here. All right. Boom. But look at what it did. It made the two tweezer tops. This equals that it's coming down. All right. You add that double top. That was more confirmation that it was coming down. It broke through that support. It broke through that support. But this was a gap. It gapped up. This was a gap right here, guys. Okay. This gap was filled with this red candle right there. Okay. But this is what I was telling you all. I said, watch for 170. And in the Discord, I said 168. Okay. Well, look at this, guys. This is 170 right here. That's 170. That's where that level came from. It broke through. Look at this candle. Look at this bear flag. The flag broke through my first level. Okay, 170. And then boom, it came to support, which was at, guys, this was 168. But then look at this. It made another flag. You see this bear flag? Bear flags mean the stock is going to go down some more. And then boom, it came down here to 166, 167. Okay. And now it's flagging some more. If they don't gap up tomorrow and go back and recapture 170, this is going to come down to 162. Okay, guys, on your journey, it's important to know what state you're in, what state that the stock is in. Yes, overall, AMD is in an uptrend. Support is at 162 and 160. As long as it's above those levels, you're good. Now, that also depends on how much time you have if you're in an option trade and your play expires Friday or expires next Friday. Okay, so you got things like that to consider. Okay, but let's dive back in here real quick. If we can get back, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. You guys know support and all that stuff. If we can get back above this level right here, okay, this level right here, if we can get above and stay above this line, that's the 200-day support on the 30-minute time frame, then I definitely foresee 170, 174, and then 184 being recaptured. But we got to hold above this black line right here, okay? If we don't hold above that line on tomorrow, or just Thursday, or just in general, then guys, we're going down to 162, 160. Okay, it's just that simple. With that being said, guys, if this, then that. That's a scenario I want you having planned out in your head. If you are even looking at AMD at all, okay? If you happen to look at that, play, I want you to check the 30-minute time frame. Is it above 168 or is it below 168? Okay, if it's below 168, it's coming to 164, 162, 160. Those are the 3 levels of support I need you to identify to the downside. If it's above 168 and showing strength, so say tomorrow is a update for the NASDAQ and the tech stocks again, the semis. Okay, then I need you to look to recapture 170. 170 gonna open the door for 174, and then we gotta first get through that level. That'll take us back to 177. All this won't happen all in one day, maybe, but that's how I want you guys to see it. So you see how you have both scenarios to know what to do. Your job is to formulate a game plan around that intel, okay? Listen, guys, this whole game is high-level chess. It's all about you executing a trading plan, knowing when to cut your losses, knowing how to manage your risk. If you can do those things, you can survive in this game, okay? Listen, hopefully today's lesson was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.